Hi everyone, we're now ready to move on to step 3, and once you get this last step done, you're in business. That's how it is. That's how simple this is to do. Step 3 we're clicking on, and here we are. This is the setup of your system. Hopefully you followed my advice and got yourself a separate email specifically for business, because you really don't want to combine the two. Alright, your email and password that you enter here is actually going to be used as your login information into your what we call back office for Instant Payday Network. So you want to type slowly and make sure that you don't have any typos in there. Just take your time and type in everything, check your spelling, make sure everything is okay. Alright, but I'll put in a dummy email right now. Okay, here we go. Now throw in a little dummy password just to show you how it's done. First, your first and last name are going to show up, of course. Alright, but whatever phone you put there, that phone number is going to show up. So if you put your personal phone there, that could be a problem. You have people calling you all the time, so it's best to put in another phone number. And if you don't say, I don't have another phone number, well, just go over to Google, get a Google Voice account, and you can choose your own phone number. Set it up to where if somebody calls that number, it'll ring through to your phone, but they won't see your number. Or you can simply set it up to where it goes directly to voicemail, so someone who's interested in joining you on Instant Payday Network, want to ask you some questions, if they need some help, they can they can leave a voicemail, and Google will actually email that voicemail to you, and so you could hear the voicemail and call the person back and reach out to them and help them, you see. So get yourself a Google Voice number, or if you already have a business number, you could just enter it right there. I'll just put in something dummy right here. Okay. Your address. The reason why we have to have an address, city, state attached, there's something called the CAN spam law, and it requires that an address must be attached to any email and so on. Alright, so if you do have a business already, you could just put your business address in there. You want to choose a good username, because that is the way the system is going to separate you from everybody else. Alright, so once you enter your username, now that's the only thing that cannot be changed once you enter it in. Now after you put in your username, we want to go down to the Express MCF ID. Within the website, once you get it, there's going to be an introductory video that explains to all of your people how the program works, exactly what it's all about, what they'll be doing, and under that it's going to be 4 steps: step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. Alright, it's going to be different than what you just went through with me, because I actually created my own website to walk you through it step by step. But later on I can even show you how to do this, what I'm doing as well. But the reason why you need these IDs in here is to code those step buttons to lead to your My Freebies sites. Alright, so in order to find that Express ID, you're going to have to log into My Cash Freebies. Once you log in, you'll see this page. Alright, you scroll down, and right here you'll see your Express referral ID is, and it'll have your number. It'll be about a 6-digit number. Alright, and that's the number you want to just grab, copy that, bring it back over to the setup here and paste it right in. And then this number right here below that is not your referral number for my double. So this has to be swapped out. So we're going to take that off. Now you go to Double My Cash Freebies, log in there now, and when you scroll down, you'll notice that it doesn't show it the same way as it did with Express. But when you look at your referral link, right at the end here, there's a 6-digit right here at the end. You're gonna write those down, come back, and write it right in here. Okay, now persons who are in Empower Network, that's step 4. But as we said before, Empower Network is optional. This is not something that you have to do. This it'll cost you. It's a bonus program. It's marketing courses. It can be expensive, so really you don't have to concentrate on the Empower Network. That's something that you can do later on when you really start making money with Instant Payday Network. And yes, you can make a considerable amount of more money even being in the Empower Network. All right. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just take out the Empower Network information. Later on, if you want to check out the Empower Network, then you'll be putting in your own Empower Network information ID. All right, so now we're going to put in some address information here, city, state, zip code here, country, all right, username, and so on. All right, good, and that looks good. That looks good. Fill that in there. All right, that's my double. Good. And now at the end here, you want to enter in the captcha that's right here. I think it's case sensitive, so just enter it as you see it. Then you select I agree to terms and conditions, and then you're gonna click create account. There we go. And look at it. Congratulations. All right. You pretty much have done it. Once you get it set up, watch the welcome video from Jeff, the creator of this program, and then you want to just click right here and join our private Facebook group. Very important, all right, because you get a lot of help and tips and everything right in there. All right, once you've done this, shoot me an email, and I want to add you to my team's marketing training. All right, because you have to be able to market and push this thing, but you go ahead and I think what I'll do is I'll provide a link right at the below this video that you can click on, and you can opt in over there and get started on the marketing aspect, how to drive traffic to your link and get sales almost right away. All right, so just get me that email or click that link below once you've done.